Hey folks, welcome back to Photoshop Elements TV, and today I'm going to show you how to straighten and crop a picture using Camera Raw. So we took a picture of this tree here that you can see, and the top of it is just slightly crooked. So we're going to actually lower this back down here a little bit. Alright, bring this up a little bit. So it's a slightly off picture, right? It's just a little bit leaning to the right. So instead of taking this into the full editor, we're going to do this in Camera Raw and make it very simple. So at the very top of the Camera Raw editor, you'll see where it says Straighten Tool. You can also just hit the letter A on your keyboard, and that will bring up the Straighten Tool. All we have to do is draw a line from the left, following the top of the tree here, to the right. And let go. Once you get that, hit Enter, and you'll see that it actually straightened the tree up. If it's not quite where you want it yet, just do the same thing again. Let's do this, and let's go back across there one more time. Try to get a little bit more straighter. Hit Enter again, and there you go. Now we have that tree straightened up. It looks really good. Now what we want to do is go ahead and we're going to do a little bit of a crop. So over here you have your crop tool, or again you can use the keyboard shortcut, hit the letter C, and now we're just going to crop this up on the bottom here, I figure just a little bit, right about there. Once you're done with that edit, I just want you to hit Enter again, and now you can see we have it cropped on the bottom, and we have the tree straightened up. Of course, it may need just a little bit more touch up here to get the top of this tree straight, a little bit more straighter anyway. Just go down there, hit Enter. We got it nice and straight now. It looks really good. Folks, I hope you liked this short type of video tutorial. It's straight and to the point. I don't want these videos to be lengthy and long in nature, and a lot of the times you won't even see my face in the video, so you may be a little luckier for that. But folks, thanks for watching Photoshop Elements TV. I hope you click the subscribe button and keep coming back here more often to watch more of my videos. And if you have any ideas for future videos, leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Tell all your friends, and we'll see you back here next time. Bye-bye for now.